Special Uncle Dave's here.
I got it.
Hey guys, what's going on? Justin here. Today I found Colin here.
Yeah.
There you are. And today, as you can see, it's pretty nice. Hold on. Nice like sunset over here.
I'm sorry. There's gonna be fireworks coming up over there in a little bit, probably maybe like half an hour, 40 minutes, and then we're at the park here, Beale Park, and then yeah, we're gonna watch the fireworks for the 4th of July. Today's July 3rd. We're having it the night before, and then 4th of July is tomorrow. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool.
Yeah.
Guys, there's a beautiful like sunset, as you can see. Look at that. It looks amazing. What is that?
Multi-scope. Probably not a lot of it.
But yeah, it's a pretty nice day, or evening, whatever. And there's gonna be fireworks coming off. What time is it? So it's 9:09 right now. So they should be coming off maybe like 9:30. They said they'll go off at dusk.
Yeah.
As you can, I don't know if you guys can see, but
I saw the ad in the paper.
Yeah, I saw online. And then they have, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's probably gonna shoot it from over there, but I think they're setting up over there, and then I think they have a load of fireworks, or not fireworks, but fire trucks over there, and then they're gonna be going off over there.
It would say Old Navy, land of the free.
So here's a sneak peek of Colin's video. It's probably gonna be up before mine because I do tons of editing.
I'm gonna upload it tomorrow morning.
I'll probably do it tomorrow morning as well.
Hey guys,
It's me.
we're gonna be watching fireworks coming. We're gonna be going over there.
Inception.
I wanna make a vlog. I haven't started yet. Alright. So guys, I made a bunny vlog about the new bunnies on Saturday.
Special Uncle Dave's here.
I got a new phone, guys. I got a migraine pill attached to my new
New
phone.
iPhone 7 coming out this September. Wait, my flash is on.
But guys, I made the bunny video on Saturday with my new camera, and no, just made it with the GoPro. But I haven't edited it, so it should be up maybe Tuesday at the latest, something like that. Tomorrow's 4th of July, so I'll probably be doing a lot of stuff, but I can probably edit in the morning and maybe at night if I'm free.
Don't trip and fall.
Okay, so Colin went back to where he was, and now we're just gonna wait for the fireworks. Maybe if they're gonna start, should be going on back there. My mom and my sister and our neighbors went to go wait in line for, what is it, animal balloons. They're on their way back, I think. And then they should be starting soon because the sun, I think it pretty much set. Dusk is pretty much here, so they should be going off soon. So it's getting pretty dark, so the flash is probably gonna be on.
Hey guys, so the first firework just went off. I don't know if you guys can see it, there's like a gray cloud up there. It was just a super small explosion. But they should be going off here soon. Okay guys, fireworks are starting.
Look,
It was 18 years ago today. 18 years ago. Yeah.
Wait, never mind. Oh. I don't know, I think it's over. Because they had all these fireworks. I didn't record it. But They had tons of stuff. Like, you know, I think it was a grand finale. Guys, traffic's pretty bad coming out. Casino over there. Cars lined up all over there, waiting to get out, and they're all up here. It's crazy. We're just trying to get back to the car. Dad, you made a pretty smart move. So, what my dad did, well, he just took a shortcut. I'm not going to explain it to you. Now we're still stuck a little bit, but not as much. There's tons of people. I can't even like give you guys a guess on how many people there were. It was just overwhelming. That's pretty much all I can say about how many people there were. Out the window.